In this video, we are going to learn the values of trigonometric functions at 2 pi plus x. So we are going to understand why 2 pi plus x is sine x, cos of 2 pi plus x is cos x, and tan of 2 pi plus x is tan x. So 2 pi plus x is nothing but 360 degrees plus an additional angle. So that means we have completed one full circle and again reached the first quadrant. So 2 pi plus x is a measurement in the first quadrant. So let's figure out how to solve these type of questions. Let's get started. Let us consider this unit circle with center O. Let P be a point on the circle which has traversed 2 pi plus x angles. So 2 pi plus x is nothing but 360 degrees plus x. So the angle formed within a circle is 360 degrees. So this means that P has traversed an angle of 2 pi plus x and again reached the point P. So basically all that the angle formed with the x-axis we get is x, because arc A P forms an angle of x. Now in the first quadrant we know that A is equal to cos x and B is equal to sin x, because both the x coordinate and the y coordinate are positive in the first quadrant. So sine of 2 pi plus x is equal to sin x, cos of 2 pi plus x is cos x, and tan of 2 pi plus x is tan x. So this is how we can find out the values of 2 pi plus x for the trigonometric functions. If you like the videos, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.